G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome to howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating. Now, the brief subject of today's video is relax and learn sax. Relax and play sax. I'm down by the river. Sometimes I find it very, very, very relaxing. In fact, all the time. I find it really, really relaxing. Taking my saxophone down to the river, as you can see behind me, and just having a little bit of a honk, a little bit of a play. Doesn't have to be good, doesn't have to be amazing. It's having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome, and repeating. And the key word there is repeating. So if you've got a happy place, this is my happy place here, down by the river. I'm in a little town called Jamison, which is about 3 hours drive, sort of northwest of Melbourne in Australia. But if you have a happy place, I would encourage you to play your saxophone. Relax, chill, have fun, play saxophone, be awesome, and repeat. I've just done some filming, I've just done a little bit of playing, I've been here for about an hour or so, and the birds and the rivers, wonderful, the sounds and the grass, and people walk past and, oh, what's this guy doing? He's playing his saxophone. He looks happy, and that's because I am. I'm relaxing, I'm playing my saxophone, and I would encourage you to do the same. My name's Matthew, I'm from howtoplaythesax.com. I will see you somewhere, maybe beside the river, maybe down at the beach, maybe in the park, maybe in your bedroom, wherever is your happy place. Please don't forget, have fun, play saxophone, be awesome, and repeat. I'll see you next time at howtoplaythesax.com. Thank you.